Hello there, this is Ryan Taylor, and I just wanted to present my final project for the Instructional Design and Technology Degree Master's Program. So, for my final project, I decided to create a Canvas course for a training module for verification in financial aid. So, as students log into the Canvas training course, the first page that they're going to come to is just this traditional modules page, and they will be instructed to begin at the introduction page and then go through each unit from there. So on the introduction page you can see that there's a small video, tells what the main objective for the course is, kind of gives a little bit more introduction about the course with this video, some more general information for them. I included a presentation on how to use a presentation, how to work that presentation as they go through it. And then there's a course assignment for the course in general, and then for the introduction page there is one small activity for vocabulary. Then once they get through that part, at the very bottom, as you can see, they can go through each unit one by one and go back to another if they need to. So if you go to the first unit here, again, each unit has a small introductory video. It's only 12 seconds long. And then after that, there will be a presentation that goes much more deeper into detail about each topic that is covered in that unit. And then after the presentation, there is an activity for them to do. And then there will also be a quiz, or a short quiz that they can do with a Kahoot. Now, as I said before, each of these unit pages, they can go back and forth as they need to. So if they get to the very end and they need to go back and brush up on another subject before they actually play the verification Jeopardy, which compiles all of the units together, then they can just jump right back over to a unit as necessary. So I believe that covers everything. Thank you very much.